Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting an error on your computer. This is one of your disks needs to be checked for consistency. You can cancel the disk check, but it is strongly recommended that you continue. If you're looking to go ahead and run this check disk scan, we're going to show you guys how to do that, and it's going to be simple as just opening up the start menu, left click on the start button one time, and then just type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. And into this elevated command line window, you want to just type in chk dsk space /r. So again, chk dsk, then a space, and then a /r. No spaces in between the / and the r. Once you're done doing that, hit enter. And then this will take some time to run. Just be patient. This will run a check disk utility scan here. So again, this will take a bit of time. And you can see through this prompt, this check disk cannot run because the volume isn't used by another process. What you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time your system restarts. Just type the Y key on your keyboard, hit enter. It says this volume will be checked the next time your system restarts. We suggest closing out of here, restart your computer, let this run, and hopefully that should resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.